Hello there, and welcome to this brief guide on how to install the FrameIt suite for Coreldraw X7. My name is Michael, one of the product specialists here at LaserJumpStart, and I'll be helping you guys out today. Now, the FrameIt suite is a little bit different than our other programs in the fact that it doesn't require Coreldraw in order for it to run. However, in Coreldraw, it does have additional features, and so keep that in mind. But without further ado, let's begin. So in order to install FrameIt, you will be sent information from us, and so let's go ahead and open up our emails here. And you will be sent something similar to this. I just sent an email to myself. But in either case, you will be sent some installation files. What I would do in your circumstances, I would right-click on this and actually save them. That's how it is in this mail option. However, in your own you might have some different options, but I would definitely save it, and I actually have my own location specifically for this already made for FrameIt. And so this information right here is just the install file. There will be other files that will be made available either online or via the email. So actually, let's go ahead and look at that file then. So here we have FrameIt, and here it is. So you'll see much of this information, some PDFs. What we want to go to is in Publish, and we want this file right here, Setup, and we will be running it. Since this is different than the other Coreldraw files, it actually does install it as a program by itself. So that's why these screens are a little bit different. So let's go ahead and install. It's a fairly quick process. And this will be the first thing that you will see. It actually has a few other menus where it says, we notice this is the first time that you are running this. And most of those you will just click on yes or OK in order for it to run. But you will be brought to this page right here where the hardware ID and access code is. This is where you would go to our website, laserjumpstart.com/access, fill in that information, and that sends us an email so that we can send you the access code. Be sure to copy and paste that access code into here, and then read the terms and conditions and agree to them. Since I'm actually already here, let's go ahead and pull up that access code real quick for this hardware ID. And obviously, for your hardware ID, it will have its own access code. So let's go ahead and unlock that. And this will be the FrameIt option. If you go into your menu, it will be under one of the programs there. So FrameIt is right here. Okay, now that we have installed it onto the computer, let's go ahead and install it into Coreldraw. So I'll open up Coreldraw here and go back into those files that I have. And underneath Application Files and FrameIt in the toolbar, you will see there are two CDR files. We want to run the install.cdr file. Double-clicking on it should run it in Coreldraw X7. And then here in a second, we're brought to this screen. So this is advising against viruses. However, our program is a macro, so it does need to be enabled in order to run that. So let's go ahead and enable macros. And yes, we do wish to install FrameIt. And there it goes. If FrameIt has been installed, you'll now see this new menu option up here. If by any chance the Enable Macros button does take a long time to appear, what you might need to do is go into Tools, under Options, and here under the workspace in VBA, you will need to have Delay Load VBA unselected. Otherwise, it will delay it every time it tries to run it. So, best to have that unselected and then click OK. But there we go. Alright, and with that we have installed the FrameIt suite for Coreldraw X7. Thank you for watching our video. I hope that it helped you out. Check out our website to see all of our programs available, as well as materials that we have made specifically for lasers. If you'd like a one-on-one training session with one of our product specialists, we can provide those services for a nominal fee. Check out the video card on your left if you'd like to find out more about the FrameIt suite, or the video on your right if you'd like to find out more about some of our other programs that we have to offer. This has been LaserJumpStart, helping you make more with your laser.